Oh, kidding me! You disliking my videos is stupider than I have. It's stupider than liking than I don't know my comments. Are you kidding me? Stop with the disliking thingy or I will kill you. Stop it. Let's chance and I'll blow you up with a creeper. You idiot. Disliking my videos are the stupidest thing and stupider than the stupid such a stupid lack. Are you kidding me? I'll tell you my business.